spirit and passion work, quality and affordability, employment. These are the main attributes of one of Bacolod's prestigious college. Here is Rose Angelito for the report in ang Bacolod College.
Thank you, Sarina. We have here right beside me the Dean of AMA Community College, Bacolod. Good morning, Madam Marcel. Why is it AMA is considered as one of the best computer schools in Asia?
Well, AMA Computer College continuously upgrade and enhance the curriculum with integration of the program to its international IT industry partners. We also have industry-trained and certified faculty members that are highly qualified to teach students regarding their chosen course.
That is really quality education. But in having quality education, what matters?
Yes, money really matters in education. That is why we are having up to 10 easy and flexible installment plans and paying scheme to help parents and students to have quality education within reach. And also international IT certification program integrated to the school's curriculum to give students the knowledge, hands-on experience, and the age over other job applicants.
Thank you.
And also, we're also offering a 30% discount for the new students.
Thank you, Madam, for our precise information about the AMA Computer College, Bacolod. What are you waiting for? Enroll now at the AMA Computer College, Bacolod. Back to you, Sarina.
Thank you, Rose Angelito. Well, that's really intimidating. I'm Serena Quixote. Stay tuned for more news at here.